Are you the one that tells everyone what you are manifesting? If you are telling everyone about your goals and announcing what you will have in the future, then you must watch this video carefully. This video will help you identify why your goals and manifestations are to be kept personal and only shared with people who are like-minded. I mean to share with those who believe in the power of manifestation. This is my personal opinion, and you can have a different one. I totally appreciate it. I personally don't share my goals or what I am manifesting. I don't like to inform people about what I will achieve in the near future. Others don't matter to me when manifesting, and I will tell you why. Also, I will tell you how to use situations where others says opposing things to you when manifesting your desire. In the past, I would tell people that I would accomplish this or that in the near future, and they would sometimes believe me. Some of my friends and even family members would inform me that, oh, you can't do it. Earlier, their opinion mattered a lot to me. It felt like I was limited to that idea, and it would require a long time or extreme efforts to make my goal a reality. It feels hurtful when an authority figure tells you this. But as time passed, I got to know about conscious manifestation. In addition, when I read many spiritual lessons and meditated on my own, I developed a very simple understanding that will assist you all in breaking through your limitations today. Telling someone about your intentions is like doing two opposing things at once. For starters, you are not living in the end result of having your desire because you are constantly identifying with the idea that it is not yet true and will occur in the near future. The future does not exist, and the same goes for the past. Only the present moment exists. The moment you are referring to in the future is a psychological one, and when it comes, it will also be a present moment. The moment you were referring to as past was also a present moment. Only the present moment exists. So, whenever you are about to tell anyone that you will achieve something, you are living in the state of wanting it to happen. You are living in a state of waiting for it to happen. This is the first opposing feeling that I felt when telling people about what I was going to manifest. The second opposing thing that struck my mind is that our external world is the reflection of our inner world. By that, I mean that everyone and everything that you experience in physical reality is just a reflection of what you feel inside to be true. That is, the people with whom you interact are only aware of who you are internally and what you believe to be true internally. Only your inner conviction can make things happen in the outside world. But when you tell others outside of yourself about your goals, they only reflect your doubts and fears. They only tell you what you believe to be true about yourself. They will only speak according to your assumptions. That's why others don't matter to me when I manifest my desire. It is because they will only inform me of my limitations. When I was not aware of this one simple thing, then I used to feel demotivated, and even if I took any action, I felt like nothing was going to change. But when I convinced myself and changed myself internally, the same people would say, "We know you can do it." It is just like standing in front of a mirror and waving a hand at it, which shows you the reflection of the same act. Now it does not make any sense to expect something different from anyone without changing your inner world. People are merely messengers who inform you of your identity. Revalue yourself, and they will confirm the change. Now you know why people tell you different things when you reveal your goals to them. There is no need for you to tell people, because as you change within, they will reflect those changes. Some of you are very emotional people, and someone telling you that you cannot do it might hurt you. Then I must tell you that instead of looking at it as something negative, view it as something constructive, something positive. See it as a game. Suppose you are manifesting a relationship with a specific person. You are proposing to them, and in return, they say that they don't want any commitment because they have been cheated before. Now, instead of proving to them that you are a loyal person, making it your goal to spend your energy wholly on proving yourself to be different might not give results to some. In such cases, you must examine your assumptions about cheating internally. Consider what you believe about the consequences of cheating from a third-person perspective. Do you believe that the person who is cheated on finds it difficult to be loved? Do you believe that the person who gets cheated on can't love again? What are your assumptions on this topic? Well, I know many of you would be like, wow, I haven't looked at it from this perspective. Congratulations. Now you know what is missing. When manifesting something specific, like a person, you have to form new assumptions about three aspects. The most important one is what you believe to be true about yourself. The second is what you believe about the other person. And the third is what you believe about the situation. Now you know that. You had a strong opinion about the person who gets cheated on. You thought that they would not believe in commitment. Now you can change it to, it is safe to fall in love again. This is a very basic, simple scenario. Everyone has their own assumptions that they have to overcome. It is a journey. We form assumptions and change them every day. That's why the days feel different, things feel different, and our experiences are different. So, if a person is saying something, take it as a constructive thing because they are telling you what you have to change within yourself. When you do it with your whole heart, it changes you completely. I have heard of one such success story where a girl was seeking commitment from a specific person who had been divorced before and was not giving her what she was asking for. By saying that he is a divorcee, he was pointing out the assumption of that lady. The lady then had an eye-opening moment and looked within herself to see what she believes about a divorced person. And in doing so, she changed her assumption about a divorced person. And then she got a commitment from him. She used his reaction to change what was not right within her. In the same manner, if you are witnessing something opposite to what you are manifesting, then take it as feedback instead of reacting emotionally. When you take them as feedback, you look within and identify that you believe the same thing. Then it would be easy for you to change it. So, I hope now you know what you have to do internally. Subscribe because I post new videos regularly. I will meet you with another golden nugget. Happy manifesting.